In today's fast-paced digital world, who doesn't dream of making passive income while drinking coffee at a beach resort? The idea of earning money with minimal ongoing effort has captivated many internet enthusiasts, and thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, this dream is now closer to reality. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to boost your income streams, ChatGPT offers a variety of options to help you create and automate your business. Here are 10 easy methods to make passive income using ChatGPT. Before we start, I want to mention that there are important notes about those methods that I want to speak about towards the end of this video. 1. Creating eBooks. If you've always wanted to write a book but didn't know where to start, ChatGPT can be a game changer. You don't need to be a professional writer or have any special technical skills. All you need is an idea. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm, outline, and even generate entire sections of text for your ebook. Simply input a topic, ask ChatGPT to expand on it, and watch it generate content you can tweak to your liking. This is especially useful for nonfiction topics like self-help, how-to guides, or niche subjects such as gardening tips, fitness routines, or even digital marketing strategies. Once you've compiled your ebook, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. With each sale, you'll earn passive income without having to put in additional work. 2. Blog content. Running a blog has long been a popular method for earning passive income, but it can take time to consistently produce engaging content. ChatGPT can change that by helping you write high-quality blog posts quickly and efficiently. Let's say you run a travel blog. You can ask ChatGPT for blog ideas, travel tips, or even full articles on specific destinations. By using this AI tool, you can keep your blog regularly updated without spending hours in front of your computer. Once your blog starts generating traffic, you can monetize it with affiliate links, Google AdSense, or sponsored posts. The beauty of this is that once a blog post is up, it can continue to generate revenue for years to come. 3. Online courses. Online learning has exploded over the past few years, and people are willing to pay for knowledge. If you're an expert in any field, whether it's photography, programming, fitness, or cooking, creating an online course can be a lucrative passive income stream. ChatGPT can assist you in drafting course outlines, writing lesson scripts, and even generating quizzes or assignments for your students. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allow you to host these courses, and once they're live, the sales roll in with minimal maintenance. Since the course material is evergreen, you can generate consistent revenue as long as your content stays relevant. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make passive income. The basic concept involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The trick is to find a way to create engaging content around those products. ChatGPT can help you craft persuasive product reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles that are optimized for SEO, so they rank well in search engines. Imagine running a tech blog where you review gadgets. ChatGPT can generate detailed comparisons between popular items, making your affiliate content more compelling. Once the content is live, every click or purchase through your links translates to passive income. 5. Newsletters. Subscription-based newsletters have seen a surge in popularity, and if you have a niche audience, this is a great way to monetize your expertise. Newsletters can be a bit intimidating to maintain regularly, but ChatGPT makes it easier by helping you write compelling content quickly. You can create newsletters around any subject: finance tips, health advice, or even book recommendations. ChatGPT can draft sections of the newsletter for you, offer insights into trending topics, and help you engage with your subscribers. By offering exclusive content through a paid subscription model, think Substack, you can generate recurring income with minimal effort. 6. Subscription service. Beyond newsletters, subscription services can be expanded to offer exclusive access to other types of content, like premium articles, videos, or reports. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow creators to offer monthly subscriptions to fans in exchange for special perks. ChatGPT can assist in generating the content you need to keep your subscribers engaged. For instance, if you're offering premium written content, ChatGPT can produce articles, stories, or even research reports for you. This way, you provide consistent value to your subscribers, keeping them happy and loyal without much additional effort on your end. 7. Social media posts. Maintaining a strong social media presence is crucial for businesses and personal brands alike, but creating fresh and engaging content can be a time-consuming task. ChatGPT can help you craft witty, interesting, and engaging social media posts that resonate with your audience. You can use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, captions, or even long-form content like Twitter threads or Instagram captions. This is especially handy if you're managing multiple accounts and need to post frequently. Once you grow a large following, you can monetize your social media platforms through sponsorship deals, paid posts, or affiliate marketing, generating passive income from your digital presence. 8. Creating digital products. Digital products, such as templates, planners, and printables, are an easy way to make money online. And the best part is that they require little to no ongoing maintenance. You create them once and can sell them repeatedly. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas for digital products and even assist in writing the descriptions and instructions that accompany them. For example, if you're selling a budgeting template, ChatGPT can draft a step-by-step guide to help users understand how to use it. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify are great for selling these products, allowing you to sit back and let the sales roll in after the initial setup. 9. Creating print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is a business model that allows you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and have them printed only when someone places an order. This eliminates the need for upfront inventory or storage costs. Once you create a design, your job is essentially done. While ChatGPT won't help with designing, it can assist in writing compelling product descriptions, generating marketing copy, or even coming up with creative slogans or quotes to print on products. With pod platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, you can earn money each time someone buys one of your products without needing to manage stock or shipping. 10. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is all about creating content that you don't have to personally manage or produce on a regular basis. You can use ChatGPT to generate video scripts for various topics, educational, informative, or entertainment-focused content. Once you have a script, you can use text-to-speech software or hire voiceover artists to narrate it. By automating the content creation process, you can focus on uploading videos to YouTube without worrying about the production side. Once your channel gains traction and meets YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning passive income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. To sum it up, making passive income isn't a pipe dream anymore. With tools like ChatGPT at your fingertips, you can streamline the process of content creation, product development, and marketing. Whether you're writing eBooks, creating online courses, or automating YouTube channels, the key to success is to start small, stay consistent, and explore the full range of possibilities that ChatGPT can offer. Now, here is an important note. Although those methods mentioned are easy to start, they suffer from high competition, and they are not as lucrative as they sound. You have to find creative methods to upscale them to have an edge over your competitors. Actually, we have a separate video for more advanced ways to make money with AI. You can watch from the video that will appear on the screen soon after liking this video and subscribing to the channel. See you there.